Can you guess the African safari animal? Missing letter challenge. Ready? Let's begin. Can you guess this mighty king of the African savanna? Excellent. It's a lion, the fearless king of the jungle. Here's your next challenge. Which black and white striped animal is this? Great job! That's a zebra, famous for its unique stripes. Ready for another one? This giant animal has a long trunk. Can you solve the missing letters? Fantastic! It's an elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. Can you recognize this gentle giant with an incredibly long neck? Give it a try. Correct. It's giraffe, the tallest animal in the world. This playful animal loves climbing trees. Can you find the missing letters? Correct. It's a monkey. Smart, quick, and full of energy. Think carefully. This spotted hunter is famous for climbing trees. What's your answer? It's a leopard, one of Africa's famous big cats. Here's another fun one. This huge animal spends most of its day in the water. Can you guess it? Yes, it's a hippo, one of Africa's heaviest animals. Watch out. This powerful reptile waits quietly in rivers. Can you name it? That's right. It's a crocodile, a master of patience and surprise. Speed challenge. Can you guess the fastest land animal from the missing letters? Amazing. It's a cheetah, built for incredible speed. Here's a tricky one. This graceful animal is known for its amazing jumps. Can you solve it? Excellent. It's an impala, one of Africa's fastest antelopes. Now try this. This powerful animal has one or two horns. What's your guess? Correct. It's a rhino, strong, tough, and truly unforgettable. All right. Can you identify this massive animal that travels in large herds? Great! It's a buffalo, one of Africa's famous Big Five animals. This clever scavenger is famous for its unique laugh-like call. Can you name it? It's a hyena, smart, social, and an excellent hunter, too. Next challenge. This intelligent primate lives in large family groups. Can you guess it? It's a baboon, known for its intelligence and teamwork. This wild animal has curved tusks and loves roaming the grasslands. Can you solve the puzzle? Outstanding! It's a warthog, one of Africa's most recognizable wild animals. Thanks for playing. Comment your score. Like and subscribe for more exciting quiz challenges.